Yo, hello everyone. Do you want to build a free website without any coding skills? In this video, we will show you how to create a stunning website using Webflow in 2023. From selecting the right template to customizing your design. We'll guide you through the entire process step by step. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So simply guys, what I will need you to do is go to Webflow website. So how we can do that, launch your browser and then go to the URL section and search for Webflow. As simple as that. So let's go to Webflow through here. And now we are going to go to the same first website that will appear for us. You can go to either this or that, so it is all the same. Let's go for the first one and then let's check the pricing before we get started with this video. As you can see here, it is completely free, but they have some premium plans that you can use. So this is the free one. You can get webflow.io domain, which is simply something like, for example, xxx.webflow.io. This is the example of how the domain name will be for you. You will get 50 CMS items, 50 form submissions, and 1 gigabyte bandwidth. And here we are going with the basic plan. You will get a custom domain, 0 CMS items, 500 monthly farm, and 550 gigabyte bandwidth. And this is the CMS plan, which gives you like 2K, 1K monthly farm submission, 200 gigabyte bandwidth, and 3 content editors. And this one is 39, which is the business one. It has 10K, 2.5, and 400 gigabyte, and 10 content editors. And finally, this is the enterprise one, which is simply, of course, much expensive than the normal ones because they will give you so much items that it will fit your company or enterprise. So you'll not even go through it until you have a big company. So here, as you can see, there is some other plans for workspace and other things. But for us, we'll just keep up with the free version, which is the starter version. So what we're gonna do is click on here, get started. It's free. And simply, I'm going to just log in using my Gmail account. So I'm going to do this and use my Gmail account, as you can see through here. So here, what best describes your role? Web designer, product designer, developer, marketer, entrepreneur, and other. For me, I'm going to use other. Who will you be building websites for? So here, a client as a freelancer, clients as a part of agency, the company I work for, my business, or myself. So let's click on myself and continue. Here, how comfortable are you with HTML and CSS? I'm unfamiliar with HTML and CSS, then click on next. And here, what do you want to build today? Business sites, e-commerce store, portfolio, blog, other. I'm just listing Webflow out. Let's go for portfolio, for example, and click on finish. And now just wait a little bit while they are building your website for you. So here it is. And here we can click on exit to exit, or you can just continue and get started with their own tutorial. So here I'm going to choose a template. There is of course the premium version and there is the free version. I'm going with this one and click on select, and here give a name for your portfolio. So I'm going to choose lollies and then click on create site. Now just wait a little bit and here it is created. And guys, everything in this page is actually adjustable, customizable, and editable. You can literally change whatever you see here. For example, here, this image, you can click on it and you will see multiple options that you can adjust from the display, the layout, the spacing, the gap, and much more. So look through this list with me. Spacing, the size, position, typography, and the background, which will be here. You can remove it and add the background from your PC. So choose image and then just wait a little bit to choose an image. So it is as simple as that. So here you can make it fixed, not fixed, and yeah. So let's click here to click on got it. And let's go back here and here we can just go and drag a file from our PC and upload from it. So we can just go to downloads, try this one for example, and here it is, has been updated. So we can make it as a cover, and let's do this. Okay, let's make it as a cover. And as you can see, I've changed the actual image in the website. You can do the same process to other images and change them all by your own. You can either, for example, choose an image to make it there, or a color if you would like, gradient, or even a GIF image. Now, let's go for the actual site title. So here, for example, let's click on portfolio over here. You'll notice that I can change this logo image through here. So if I went down a little bit, you'll find here image and gradients. So we can add here, for example, choose image. Let's try to choose this one. I think it is small. That's why like we can make it as cover. Okay, here it is. As you can see, it is has um been like a background over here. I can like create components and name the component, and guys, this is like so detailed that even myself don't know everything in their menus. So if I'm kind of wrong about something, you can correct me in the comments down below. I'm really into learning new stuff. So basically here guys, as you can see, so let's ignore all of this because we've been through it step by step. You can like just do the same step that we've done with this logo and image, then do them on the other categories from text and other sections. Now let's go to the right or left side of this section and go to the menu and see what do we have there. So here you have add elements. Through here you add section, layout, basic, typography, and CMS. Here you can actually get some components. So here are the components that you have from contact, navigation, footer, and CGHF. Here you have navigator, which is the menu. Here you have the pages. So you can edit all the menu pages through here. These are like the static page, which are the base of your website, and these are like some utility page, for example the error page and etc. Here you can find the CMS, which is the data that you have collected through your visitors through your forms. Here the users that have been visiting your website, so in case you'd like to have them, you can enable this on site and have it temporarily accepted. Here this is like a store site. If you'd like to enable the store site on your website, you can just click here to actually add it. Here you can find assets, and finally here some settings that you can search for something. Go to the general settings, get backups and create backups or download backups, and here the email that you can connect to your website, so when someone submits something or buys something, a message to your email will be sent. So yeah guys, this is how you can create a website on Webflow for free in 2023. Thanks a lot for watching guys, and see ya in the next video.